Hello, my name is Robert Larson. I'm an attorney and the owner of the Larson Law Office in Mesa, Arizona. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about who pays for health insurance for your kids after a divorce or a custody case. And in Arizona law, basically both parents do. So part of your child support order will include an order that says which parent is going to provide health insurance. Typically, that's going to be the parent who already has health insurance for the kids. So if a parent gets health insurance through their employer or some other way, that could be Access, which is the free health insurance through the state, or however you get insurance. If you already have a policy, usually the court will order that parent to continue the policy as long as they can, as long as it's affordable and reasonable to do so. Sometimes there will even be orders for both parents to keep health insurance in place, because sometimes both parents have insurance already, and then the court will just order both of them to keep it in place as long as it's feasible. So the way that both parents end up paying is, let's say the mother has insurance available through her job, and so she has a policy that covers the children, and also let's say that she earns $60,000 a year and the father earns $40,000 a year. So basically Arizona law takes your combined income and then says that each parent is responsible for their percentage of the combined income. So in this situation, the mother earns 60% of the combined income, so she's responsible to pay 60% of the health insurance policy, the premiums anyway, and the father is responsible for paying 40%. So under the situation that I just gave, the mother is the one who has the insurance policy through her employer, so she's basically getting a deduction from her paycheck every time she gets paid. And so how does the father pay his 40%? What he does is he pays that 40% through child support. So if he pays child support, then his 40% gets paid as basically in addition to whatever else he would have paid for child support, and he pays it to the mother through child support. Or if the mother is the one who pays child support, basically she gets a deduction for father's portion of the health insurance premiums. So basically in Arizona, they make it part of the child support, which is helpful because a judge has the ability to enforce child support in ways that they can't enforce other orders. So I know some states, they just have each parent has to contribute a percentage of the premiums, like 50, each of them might have to pay 50%. So in Arizona, they don't really do it that way. Each parent has to pay their share, but it goes through the child support. So it's a little complicated sometimes, but it does make sense. And that's basically how health insurance is handled for kids once you have a child support order following a divorce or a custody order. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office, and feel free to give me a call and talk about it.